In this video, I will show you how to use the traditional book catalog. The traditional book catalog is included in OneSearch along with the Pascal Delivers catalog and also all of the article searches that I've demonstrated in the other videos. To limit yourself down to books that Limestone University owns, go to Library Catalog on the right side menu and click the green button. Now the items I'm seeing are physical and electronic items that are housed in the library's collection. It's important to note that a number of these items are actually e-books or electronic journals or videos in some cases. If you want to limit yourself down to only print books on the shelf in the library, you need to do one extra step. Notice on the left side under Availability, there is a limiter that says Held by Library. Click that, and all of the books that you see will now be books that are held on the shelf at Limestone University. And notice that the availability information in this case says Limestone University Library Stacks upper level, and there is the Library of Congress classification number. That's the number that you would use to go and find it on the shelf.